Factorization of algebraic expression. 12x squared plus 7x minus 10. Once we are trying to factorize these kinds of quadratic equation, here is x squared and coefficient is 12. This is 12. And here is constant 10. So we will multiply. It will become 120. We have to find out two numbers which once we multiply it will become 120, and once we make addition we will get 7. How? So we have to factorize this 120. It means like 1 times 120, it means 120. Then 2 times 60 is also 120. 3 times 40 also 120. 4 times 30. Then 5 times 24, right? 5 times 24 also 120. But till we are not get our required number is 7. Then 6 times 20 also 120, right? Then 6, 7 is not possible, 8 can possible. 8 times 15. 8 times 15 is 120. But look, this number is special. Why? Because 15 minus 8 will 7. Therefore, we can write. So here is, this is 15 and then 8 means 120. Similar, 15 plus minus 7, sorry, minus 8 will be 7, right? So we can write 12x squared plus 15x minus 8x minus 10. Okay, then we can take common. Here is 12 and here is 15, so we can take common 3. Here is x squared and here is x, and we also can take common x. So 12 divided 3 is a 4, x squared divided x is a x, plus 15 divided 3 is a 5, x divided x is a 1. So here is only 4x plus 5, minus we can take common. Here is 8 and here is 10. So we can take common what? 2. So here it will be 4x minus and minus, it will be plus, and here is 5. Now look, here is 4x plus 5 and here is 4x plus 5. So we can take common 4x plus 5, and here will be 3x minus. Very simple. So once you face this kinds of math, you have to factorize this one like this way. So it's a very important. We can, your homework, next video we will see this math like 4x squared minus 13x minus 12. So factorize this one. Thank you. My channel is SubX. It's a YouTube channel, and Pencil is my Facebook page. So Facebook and YouTube. I hope you will subscribe and follow both platforms. Thank you.